Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
What are we doing today?
We didn't shop last week, so now we got to catch up.
All right, let's get to it.
All right, so we're grabbing two of the Pringles that are pizza flavored and two that are sour cream, and they're $1.96. I'm getting 4 because this is a 2-week haul, but it's also an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back if you buy 4. And I'm going to grab one of these. I like to snack on these, and I like the queso flavor. And $2.48. Time to restock some of my teas. I'm going to grab this one right here, this peppermint. And I'm also going to grab this detox one here. And should be caught up for a little while. Now we're going to grab one of the 5 dozen. It lasts us like a month, which is good, and it's cheaper than buying the dozen or the 2 dozen. All right, and then we're gonna grab one of these cream cheese. We are using that in a recipe, and if the price is right, it looks like it's $1.68. What we get?
Heavy cream.
And how much is it?
$4.98.
$4.98. And we're gonna grab one of these fake-in Velveetas for $3.88 because Joel's gonna make some chili cheese dip on Super Bowl for Super Bowl Sunday. We're gonna grab some tomato sauce for 88 cents. And we're also gonna grab 1 can of no salt added petite diced tomatoes and some Ragu Simply. We use that for pizza sauces and anything else that would call for marinara. And it's $1.96. And I used to have to reach way up there to get to it. They put it here. Yay! We're gonna grab one can of these green chilies. All right, we're getting this big old jar of salsa verde for a recipe. It's $2.96. The recipe did give a homemade version of salsa verde, but I don't know how to make that, and it's a brand new recipe, so I don't want to learn 2 new recipes in one recipe. I'll try to master that another day. We're grabbing 1 can of chili with no beans, and it's $1.86, and that's for Joel's chili cheese dip. For our new recipe, we need some 8-inch flour tortilla shells, and so we're grabbing that, and it looks like it's about $2.72. I'm going to grab these 2 bags right here. I started buying these recently, and I really like them. I also have an Ibotta rebate for them, 75 cents for each. I could do it up to 5 times, but I'm just going to get 2, so I should get $1.50 back. Looks like they're about $2.68 total. Good thing I'm not looking for bananas today. Completely out. Okay, so we're having pulled pork this week, and whenever we do that, I always get a sweet potato and just put the pulled pork on the side of the sweet potatoes. So that's what I'm gonna grab 2 of them in case we have leftovers. All right, and what is that?
Pork sausage.
And why did you get it?
Because I'm gonna start making my own breakfasts at home.
Because he's gonna start making his own breakfasts at home.
Red taters.
Red taters, and it says $3.58. All right, looks like our potato prices have gone back up,
A little bit.
which offsets the fact that the egg prices have gone down just a smidge. So the potatoes went back up, and so does the sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes were 98 cents per pound, and like a couple of weeks ago, it was 58 cents per pound. So that's quite a jump. And then this one's $1.18 per pound, and it was 98 cents per pound last time. So anyway, we are grabbing 2 of those. We will be making French fries to go on the side of the pulled pork. That I'll be having the sweet potatoes instead of French fries. And we're gonna grab 1 pack of baby spinach. Remember, always check your date. February 14th is over a week away for me, so that's good. Also make sure there's nothing looking not so pretty, and also make sure that this is still sealed, because I've gotten it before where it actually wasn't sealed, and that's why I've learned to check that. But anyway, it's $2.98. All right, 1 garlic bulb. What are we looking for?
$4.74 per pound.
$4.74 per pound. $4.74 per pound. and usually that makes one bulb around 60 to 70 cents. One of our subscribers asked me to show how to make a recipe that if you buy it pre-made, it is very expensive. I looked it up. She is absolutely right. That is a very expensive thing to buy. So we're going to see if we can make it and if it's feasible, and we're going to do that soon. I'm going to mention these two things because I didn't include that when we were in the store. So Joel's been working more mid or later shifts lately, so he needed something to eat for breakfast on the days that he goes in later to work because he's not at work. So he got some croissants and he's going to make breakfast sandwiches, and this was $4.98. And then he got some ciabatta rolls. If he's home for lunch, he can eat one of these. Do you remember what the price was? $3.98. Okay.
All right, so there's our Walmart haul. It was $88.66. And now we're heading over to Sam's. Got to pick up a few more things.
Okay, we're going to start off at Sam's Club by grabbing this avocado oil. It's $9.32 for 34 ounces. At Walmart, the Chosen Foods brand is 25 ounces and it's $13 and something. So this is a great deal. And we're grabbing one pack of this bacon. There's 3 pounds in that pack. It's $12.98. Huh?
Save your dollar.
Saved $1. Woohoo! Okay, so we got the 2-pack of pepperonis. They're like this. I got 2 on it, and it's $9.98.
But we saved $1.
But we saved $1. Okay, and if you know us, you know that we always get a big 5-pound thing of mozzarella when we come here, and our son uses it for pizza, stuff like that. We just divide it up, put it in the freezer. We also needed some Colby Jack for a recipe, so we're going to get that in that size block, and it's $6.52. So we're grabbing this right here for 1 pound, and it's $12.28. For Joel's sandwiches that we mentioned earlier in the Walmart, he is grabbing this rotisserie chicken here, and it's has a lower price right now, $9.48, and it's what'd you say? 1 pound and
1 pound, 6 ounces.
1 pound 6 ounces. This guy is always in the way. Okay, and we're getting the French bread for our son. That's a 2-pack. It's $3.98. It sounds like it's not a good deal when you hear that the Walmart one is $1.47 each, but these are longer. He usually makes more pizzas out of it than he would if we got the $1.47. So.
All right, so there's our Sam's haul, and it was roughly $80. We're going to put the total right here. And then there's the total for our Walmart haul. There's the total for the week. And then this is what we have left. This was just the first week.
No.
No?
Oh, yeah. This is February.
It's the first week.
It is the first. I'm so confused because we didn't shop last week.
Right. So that's what we have left. That's out of a budget of $600 for 3 adults. And let's move on now to our meal plan for the week.
That's right. We have been saying for weeks now that we have these like 7 meals that we're not mentioning right now because we're doing a special video about them, and we still have just a few left. And so it's 7 meals, but we made them last more than 7 meals. So this is really good. The video is going to be 7 different meals that could be more than 7 different meals.
Yeah.
Apparently, because it lasted us longer than 7 meals.
Yep.
So, so I'm going to skip over that one because you're going to see the video eventually as soon as I get it edited.
Okay. So then we're going to do pulled pork.
Yeah, and that was from our freezer. If you remember a few months back, we made a pulled pork and then we divided it after it was cooked into different bags and put it in the freezer. So we're just pulling one out for that.
And
So,
if you see a recipe alert above, then you know that recipe is already in our recipe playlist. If you don't see the alert, then you know you can vote on that for the recipe of the week.
yep. All right, and then the next night we're doing a teriyaki chicken, and you may be thinking, are they ever going to actually make that teriyaki chicken? Because we've said it for like
Maybe.
a month, but it is
We'll see.
going to be done at some point.
Okay.
The thing about it is that it took all like pantry ingredients and stuff, so there's nothing to go bad about it. So just
Right.
kept pushing it back.
And then we're going to do a spatchcock chicken.
And we were requested by one of our subscribers that we show how to make green enchiladas. So we're going to do that, and it'll be a try something new because we absolutely do not know how to make. Never made it before. I don't even think I've ever eaten it before. Have you?
No.
No. So coming soon,
All right.
and that'll be a try something new.
Yep. And then homemade pizza.
The next day is Super Bowl Sunday, and I know Joel's going to make that chili cheese dip, but I don't know what else we're doing for that.
Okay. Then Spanish rice.
That is also going to be a try something new. And the main reason why I picked that recipe was I was looking for something that would use up some brown rice that I had in the pantry. So it'll be a try something new.
All right.
You ain't gonna do the next one?
I said Spanish rice.
Oh, I'm sorry. The next day is Valentine's Day, and I was told that we were not going to be eating at home. That's all I'm going to say to that one.
Then grilled chicken. We're going to grill it on the grill.
We bought a grill. We have limited space in our backyard, so we bought a little tiny grill back when we preparing for the hurricane that went through in case we lost power, and we didn't lose power, and we've never even taken it out of the box. So we said we need to actually take it out and make sure it even works.
Yep.
Anyway, and then we're going to follow that up with some hamburgers.
And then we're going to do chicken and broccoli stir fry.
Yep. And homemade pizza.
And then we're going to finish it off with a bacon fried rice. All right, so drop us a comment below and let us know what you'd like to vote on for the recipe of the week. If you have any recipes you'd like for us to try, drop those in the comments as well. We don't try everything, but if we don't try it, then we will link we'll link a video of somebody who has done it so that you can actually see it done.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekends, sometimes in between. You can never know. We're going to drop one in there. That said, that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.